Hello friends, my name is Ashutosh Bishnoi. I am Managing Director of Mahindra Manulife Investment Management. Today we will speak a little bit about the volatility that is facing us in the marketplace, in the equity markets particularly. A lot of people have been asking us what they should do with their money. Will the market fall? Will there be a correction? Is the market overvalued? I want to say this to you. For the last few years, we are living in times when valuations will remain high. They will continue to remain high. Why is that? Because global liquidity is finding its way into emerging markets like India, and global liquidity, the volume is so high that it is not going to go away anytime soon. It is possible that it may shift from India market to another market temporarily, but it could come back. So how do you manage money in elevated market valuations? That is the key. That is a rare expertise. Almost everybody can make money when the markets begin to run high. But you need experts who can make money when the markets correct and markets are volatile. More importantly, you need a fund that has a mandate to make money from volatility. We are launching a new fund to do exactly that. And that fund is Mahindra Manulife Flexi Cap Yojana. This fund can invest in any market cap. There is no limitation. In any stock, there is no limitation. And therefore, as the market goes up and down, corrects and sees more volatility, more and more opportunities come for this fund exactly to get into such stocks where the correction is getting over and opportunity to rise is again at hand. So without any restriction, this fund can go to every opportunity. Every volatility can become an opportunity for this fund. You need a fund management house that understands how to take advantage of elevated valuations, how to position yourself so that the best opportunity is made available to the investor. As a house, we have that expertise. We have demonstrated that expertise in the past. I urge you to look at this new fund offer, which will open on July 30th and will close for initial subscription on August 13th.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.